Hi everyone, I'm Ray and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a delicious salad, and this salad is made with some beautiful fall ingredients, and it's a salad that I think I could enjoy any time of the year, but it was first introduced to me at a Thanksgiving party. And the Thanksgiving party was really cool because everyone was asked to pick a country out of a hat and then bring a dish from that country. And so I had France, and I took my French almond cake and I made a different salad. But this salad was from the person who chose Greece. So this is a Mediterranean salad that is gonna knock your socks off. It is so good. And I call it Lisa's salad. So Lisa, thank you for sharing your recipe, and I'm gonna share it with the world because it's so delicious. So I wanna start by making the dressing because we're gonna make this drizzle first, and then we're gonna set it aside so that the flavors have a chance to combine. And then we're gonna build the rest of the salad, and then we'll pour the dressing over top and have a taste. So let's start out with the dressing. So I've already got the ingredients ready to go, and I'm just gonna pour them into this little jar and then mix everything together. And I like putting it in this kind of a jar because it's not gonna be that many ingredients and I can just shake it. So we're gonna start out with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. And this is fresh, right? So it's not orange juice out of a container. This is fresh squeezed orange juice. And next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And this is extra virgin organic olive oil. Okay. And then lastly, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is a local honey. So I like using local honey because people who have allergies, it is said that if they have local honey, it will help them with their allergies. They won't be so bad because they become accustomed to the pollens in the area. And then we're gonna just put a little bit of salt and pepper. So we're gonna put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. Now this salt is not normal salt. This is, it's a salt called Redmond's, and it comes from the Great Salt Lake. So it's not an ocean salt, but it is a sea salt from Salt Lake. So if you haven't checked it out, you can buy it on Amazon, but you can buy it in most health food stores. And it is absolutely delicious. And it is actually a healthy salt. So that's pretty much it for the dressing, right? We're just gonna shake it up and then we're gonna set it aside. And then we are going to build the rest of the salad. We are ready to start layering in these beautiful ingredients. So we are going to start with 1 sweet potato. And this is kind of interesting about what I'll just say European salads. They're kind of layered, unlike salads that we do here in the States that are sort of just tossed together. So I like this style of salad. It's kind of cool. So I want to show you too. So these are beets, and these are cooked beets. And this actually was really neat because I found these already cooked beets that were in a package, a fresh package of beets in the grocery store. So I want to show you the packaging. So it's this brand here. It's just organic cooked beets, and it is so delicious. Now, there was about 6 of them in this container, and the recipe is calling for 2 medium beets. So I only used 4 of them because I think that's plenty of beets, but certainly if you love beets, you could add more beets for sure. Okay, next we're going to do some red onion, and this is just half of a red onion. And again, we're just layering all the ingredients of this beautiful salad, and then we're gonna drizzle the dressing over top. I pre-baked the sweet potato, and then I peeled it just because I'm not a fan of the peel. The peel actually does have some really healthy nutrients in it. So we've got the beets, and we've got the sweet potato, and now we've got the red onion. And so now we're going to add green olives. These were just pitted green olives, and I sliced them, and we're gonna layer those next. Everything looks so good. Now, unfortunately, it is not a vegan salad, so this is 1/3 of a cup of fresh feta. And feta is cheese, if you don't know what feta is. It's delicious, actually, and it's really good on this salad. Okay. And then we've got 1 avocado, and we are going to slice this avocado. And then we're going to spoon it out and lay it nicely on top of the other ingredients here. And I kind of broke one, unfortunately, but that's okay. So we'll put half on this side and half on the other side. And again, we're gonna just do the same thing. We're gonna slice it. And I didn't have this pre-done because, you know, avocado will turn brown if it sits out too long, and I didn't want it to be brown. And we'll get this arranged, and then I'm gonna need to wash my hands, and then we'll get the dressing on top. Isn't that just so pretty? Take a look. So good. Okay, now we're ready to drizzle on this very simple dressing. And again, it's lemon juice, orange juice, honey, salt, pepper, and olive oil. And I'm not going to use all of it. I'm going to just drizzle it over the top. Okay, and then we are just going to top this salad off with a little bit of fresh mint and a little bit of fresh parsley. Everything. Oh, it smells so good. That mint is great. And that, my friends, is our salad. I call it Lisa's salad. Delicious, right? Mediterranean flavors, all fresh, wholesome ingredients. Everything on this tray is organic, including the olives and the mint and the parsley. I can't wait. Let's have a taste. Try to get a little bit of everything on my fork here. I don't know. Maybe challenging to do, but I'm going to try. Okay, I've got sweet potato, onion, avocado, beet. I've got some of the topping. I'm not sure if I have any feta. It's okay. I'm going to try it anyway. Wow. Those flavors together, unbelievable. The olives are briny, which is great. The sweetness from the orange and the lemon juice is delicious. The sweet potatoes are sweet. The beets are even a little bit sweet, which is really nice. Red onions are delicious. Avocado, creamy goodness. And the feta cheese is a nice kind of change. I don't eat a lot of cheese, so it's a really nice treat for me. Wow, this salad is delicious. I am not going to put my fork back in it because I'm going to share this with a friend. Obviously, it's a lot of salad here, but I hope you are going to try this salad. It is so good for you, and it is so delicious. Bon appetit, everyone. Hope you try it.